Today, we explore a simple way to earn online using PlayCast.ai. This tool extracts key video points effortlessly, offering a practical service for creators and professionals seeking organized insights quickly. Imagine turning video summaries into income. Busy entrepreneurs and content creators need quick insights. Use PlayCast.ai to save time, elevate your earnings accordingly, very easily. PlayCast.ai is a user-friendly tool that delivers video key points. Enjoy 5 free projects while considering upgrade options for more. Sign up at playcast.ai/dashboard, then paste a video URL. Click Create Project to extract key points efficiently. Download or copy the summary, use free credits wisely, or upgrade for unlimited extraction adventures. Absolutely simple process. Create a Fiverr gig titled, "I will summarize your video for quick insights." Offer multiple packages based on video length. Use friendly language, pricing, and extra bonuses to deliver real value and boost client satisfaction. Over-deliver, communicate clearly, and market your gig confidently with passion. Start now, explore playcast.ai, and subscribe for more tips. Today, your success starts here.